Hello, good afternoon, students. In this chapter, hydrocarbons, we had studied last time preparation methods of alkane. Today, we will study physical properties of alkanes. The most important physical property of organic compound is polarity. We will study polarity property for alkane. We know the electronegativity of carbon and hydrogen are nearly same, and therefore carbon hydrogen and carbon carbon bonds in alkane, these are non-polar covalent bonds, and therefore the force which holds the non-polar molecule together, this is van der Waals force. The force which holds non-polar molecules together, that is called as a van der Waals force, and this force is weak force if we compare with other forces, attractive forces. The large surface area of molecules, stronger are such intermolecular van der Waals forces. The intermolecular forces are relatively stronger in straight chain alkane than in branched chain alkane, because in straight chain alkane the surface area is large, and in branched chain alkane the surface area is small compared with straight chain alkane. If we consider the 5 carbon containing alkane is a pentane, it has a large surface area. It is shown with this blue line, outer blue line, that shows the surface area of this straight chain pentane, and the attractive force present between these two molecules is a large due to the large surface area available. If you compare the molecule with same molecular formula, it is a neopentane. It is a branched chain alkane containing 2 branches on middle carbon, and here the surface area is shown with pink line. So if you compare the surface area of N-pentane and neopentane, then this neopentane, it is a branched compound, have small surface area than the N-pentane, that is a straight chain alkane. And due to the large surface area, this van der Waals force of attraction is large, and for the small surface area, van der Waals force of attraction between molecules is a small, and depending upon this van der Waals force, this polarity of molecule depends. The branched chain alkanes have lower melting and boiling points. Again, the reason is intermolecular forces. These are less in branched chain alkane than the straight chain alkane. In the tabular form, this melting point and boiling points of alkane, these are compared with their molecular mass. So these are the examples. First is methane, then ethane, propane, butane, pentane, isobutane, isopentane, neopentane, and hexane. The molecular mass goes on increasing, the boiling point also goes on increasing. But if you compare the boiling points between the isomers, that is N-butane and 2-methyl propane, that is N-butane and isobutane. The boiling points are straight chain 272 and branch chain 261. Here the boiling point decreases even though both compounds have same molecular mass, but the boiling point is less for branched chain butane because of the less van der Waals force and the less surface area. Similarly, melting point also decreases. It is 134 and 114. So due to the branching, this boiling point and the melting point decreases. We will consider one more example, that is of pentane. Here the pentane, isopentane and neopentane. IUPAC names are given here. Pentane, 2-methyl-butane, 2,2-dimethyl-propane. The molar mass is same and the boiling points are 309, 300 and 282. This boiling points goes on decreasing with increase in branching. Here the melting point also 143, 113, and here the slightly increase in the melting point. So as branching increases in general, the boiling point and the melting point goes on increasing, and for straight chain alkanes comparatively higher melting and boiling point than the branched chain alkanes. The alkanes next properties, alkanes are colorless, then they are odorless, then at room temperature first four alkanes are gases, then alkanes containing 5 to 17 carbon atoms, these are liquid, and alkane containing more than 18 carbon atom, these are solids. They are commonly called as a wax. And that is about the physical properties of alkanes. Thank you.